Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So today I will talk about what is the importance of time in our life because lots of people talk I have no time do anything but if you talk do any work so he has a lot of time. For example, he want to play, he have a lot of time. He want to do any work like traveling, he has a lot of time but he have a follow passion like a study, so they have no time and my mind is diverted. So there are lot of reason about importance of time, but it is the very importance of time because once time passed, so never back. That's why it is the importance of time in our life. So I saw many times lots of my friends. Currently he has working another city, but he do not follow our passion. He do lot of thing in his life, but he has no focus on time. So current time he is a very low feel because according to time he do not follow our passion. That's why time is very significant in our life. So you have heard about lots of example like a cricketer or actor, lots of big businessmen. We do not time waste. What is the reason behind this? Why do so? Because they understand what is the importance time. Suppose that if you do not complete your studies on time, so you will be very nervousness during the exam time because according to time you do not complete your syllabus. So it is the importance of time. So minimum time, not waste time. So friends, therefore it is the importance of time in our life. If you want to do achieve in your life, so time is most important. Otherwise after that you will feel very sad in future time. So time lost is money lost. So thank you watching the complete video.